Hi, today we're going to discuss on unlocking the mystery of Meniere's disease. Before going to video, please subscribe. Now let's discuss on understanding its 4 stages. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into Meniere's disease, a complex inner ear disorder that affects balance and hearing. Understanding its stages can help you or someone you know recognize and manage this condition effectively. Stage 1, the aura. The first stage, known as the aura, sets the stage for what's to come during this phase. You might experience headaches. These can be persistent and uncomfortable, dizziness or vertigo, a spinning sensation that can leave you feeling unsteady, tinnitus. This constant ringing can be both distracting and distressing. Sensitivity to sound. Everyday noises might become overwhelming. Hearing loss. This can be intermittent and vary in severity. Recognizing these early signs is crucial for seeking help and beginning management strategies. Stage 2, the early stage. As the condition progresses, symptoms can escalate. In this early stage, you may encounter the tinnitus, often worsening, making daily life challenging. Spontaneous, violent vertigo. This can be sudden and intense, causing a loss of balance. Oral fullness. That feeling of pressure might intensify. Fluctuating hearing loss. Your hearing may improve or worsen unpredictably. It's important to pay attention to these changes as they can signal the need for medical intervention. Stage 3. The attack. Stage during an attack, individuals may experience nystagmus, uncontrolled eye movements that can be disorienting, nausea and vomiting, often a direct response to severe vertigo, cold sweats and anxiety. These physical symptoms can heighten feelings of panic, fast heart rate and blurry vision. Your body's response to stress can intensify. Trembling. A physical reaction to the distressing sensations. Understanding this stage is vital for both patients and caregivers to prepare for potential attacks. Stage 4, the later stages. In the later stages of Meniere's disease, symptoms may evolve. Hearing loss can become more severe, and balance issues may persist. Tinnitus often remains prominent, while vertigo episodes might last longer but become less intense. Interestingly, some individuals experience no symptoms between attacks, while others might deal with ongoing challenges. Sudden movements can exacerbate symptoms, making it essential to approach daily activities with caution. Causes of Meniere's disease. Now, let's explore what might trigger this condition. Meniere's disease can stem from various factors. Poor fluid drainage. Problems in the inner ear can lead to fluid buildup.
Autoimmune disorders. The body's immune response may play a role.
Viral infections. Previous infections can contribute.